I've seen aces doing things.
Right next to
He never smiles. So like I made that such crazy legs.
Hey guys, this is Jen Bellion with HotNewHipHop.com, and this afternoon we're at Park Studios Gaineswood with Mindless Behavior.
Yeah,
I haven't seen you guys in a year. How are you?
we're good. We can tell that we've gone a little bit taller than you.
I know, you know the whole
Yeah.
interview, everyone's ripping on my height, so like how tall is this girl? You have so much going on right now. First, All Around the World just came out, new album. You guys have been all around the world. Where's like your favorite spot and why?
My favorite spot, to be honest, was actually overseas because, you know, over there is more outgoing and
Golden
more
State,
fashion.
Congo, United States, and Brandon.
Yeah. I think my most favorite place is definitely overseas in London because I kind of feel like
Alright, that's it. It's Christian actors.
I'm gonna make